So hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel everyone, and we are back with another educational video. And today what we are going to do is we are going to use RSI, VWAP, MACD, Tenkan, Kijun for setting up a trade. And this is a pure intraday trading strategy. We are going to use 3-minute chart, and we are going to use these much of things. So for the beginners, be very careful while using this strategy, and those who are already expert in the market, just a gain for them. They're getting one more strategy, not a big matter for them. We'll start. So first of all, set up your charts on 3-minute, and then we'll start adding the indicators. But one thing I would like to mention is that this strategy is going to be very complex. We are going to use a lot of things for identifying a particular trade. Apart from that, I will be giving you two examples, one of buy and one of the sell side. But I would like that all of you should go and should use this strategy first, do paper trade, and then use this strategy in the real market. This strategy works, definitely it works. I will show you some live examples also. But the thing is that it is always better to once identify by yourself, then only if you'll use, then it is good for you. So I hope you understand my concern. So now we'll be starting the trade setup. So first of all, we'll start adding by indicators. So first of all, start by adding Ichimoku. So we'll be adding Ichimoku by H Porter. Go to the settings of the Ichimoku. We will be needing Tenkan, Kijun. Rest all you can remove. Uncheck all of these. We only need Tenkan and Kijun. So remember the color of these. Tenkan is red and Kijun is blue. Okay. So the first thing is now on our chart. Now we are going to add the second thing, and that is going to be our RSI. So here I have added the RSI. Now we are going to add MACD. So MACD is also added now. Now we are going to add VWAP. So VWAP is not here. Okay, not an issue. We are not in need of VWAP much after all. Now we need our RSI with the setting of 60/40. So this is with the setting of 60/40 only, but let me check in case it is not. No, it is not in the 60, and this is going to be 40. Please be very careful. Keep on listening carefully. And then we are going to change the setting of this also. MACD. Five, and this is going to be 8, and this is same as chart, so it will be 3 itself. Okay, here we have it. One more thing, check this style. MACD is of the blue line. Okay, so blue line is the MACD line, this blue line. Okay, red is Tenkan, blue is Kijun, and this blue is MACD. Okay, so we have everything we needed is now here on our chart. Okay, 60/40 RSI, 583 settings MACD. Time period of the chart we are using is 3-minute. We have Tenkan, we have Kijun from the Ichimoku. So now as our setup is ready, now I'm going to tell you the buy rules. Buy if Tenkan rises above Kijun, provided number 1, RSI rises above 60 level, MACD crossover happens above zero line at that time. 3 things you need to remember is that Tenkan is above Kijun, crosses above the Kijun, RSI is above 60 level, and MACD crossover happens above zero line at that time. So these 3 things you need to remember. Okay, now this is the buy rule. Now let me little zoom into the chart. So we'll be searching for some buy trades. I think here 10 can, the red one crosses above the blue one at the, to be specific, at the green candle at the 10-6 we can see, and here on the next candle we can also see that the RSI is going above the 60 level. So two things been confirmed. And third, you can see MACD is also crossed above the, is also above the zero line. So all three conditions are satisfied. We are entering into trade here. We are going to enter the trade here. At this level we are going to enter the trade at, okay, now we are going to play. And here you can see what happened: rising, 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 coming down, rising, coming down, and okay, we have come a lot ahead. So our entry point was, so we entered here, and let's check it out, the opening price, because this is our opening point 31724, and this is the high mad 32121. So almost a gain of around 500 points, I must say. So 500 points a gain of by using a 3-minute chart. It is good enough. Now let's look for a sell setup. So Tenkan must be crossing Kijun from above and going below, and Tenkan is the red one, remember. RSI below 40 level, and MACD happens to be below the zero line. So I think somewhere here Tenkan is here below the Kijun, and we can see RSI is below 40 and MACD is also below 40, and we will be taking trade on this candle itself. So this is opening 31762, and this is the low mad, I think 31582. So another 200 points gain in a same day. We are talking about, these examples are taken from the 23rd of April itself. So 700 points movement we have captured by this setup. So how good is this setup? You can imagine how good it works. I know there are a lot of things in this setup. I will repeat that for you. First thing is that you have to add 3 indicators. Number one is Ichimoku. There will be 2 Ichimoku available for all of you. Let me show you. Ichimoku cloud, this is the built-in. We are going to use the Ichimoku from HPotter, right? Then we are going to use RSI and MACD. Ichimoku, once you add the Ichimoku from the HPotter, go to the settings, select only Tenkan and Kijun, remove rest of the all. Second thing we are going to add is RSI. Change the setting of RSI to for 60 and 40, and then MACD. MACD is we are going to use MACD 5, 8, and signal line will be of R3 because we are using the 3-minute chart. So these are going to be the 3 things, and we are going to use it. Buy rules: if market moves and Tenkan rises above the Kijun from below, and RSI at that time crosses above the 60 and MACD happens to be above the zero line, that's a buy signal. And when Tenkan crosses Kijun from above and goes below, and RSI at that time crosses below 40 and MACD happens to be at the below the zero level, then that's a sell signal. I have given 2 examples and you have used, and you have seen that how good it works. Now second thing is that I am using a TradingView Pro, a premium version. That's why I'm able to use all these 3 indicators at a time. Otherwise what happens, I think TradingViews allow only 1 or 2 indicator at a time. So what you can do, you can easily put another indicators on the Zerodha or any other trading platform. It's not a big deal. You can see what time is going on, and that time what is the, if you are using it in the live market, then definitely it's not a big deal. But if you are using it for the paper trading, for the back testing, then also you can easily just see the time and accordingly you can trade. So that's not a big deal. And if you have a TradingView Premium, then go ahead with the strategy. I think the 2 examples that I have given are sufficient enough, and you will be using more examples, guys. So I hope you understood the strategy completely. 3 things. Always remember, Ichimoku by HPotter will be using only Kijun and Tenkan, and then RSI 60/40 setting and the MACD 538 setting. So these are going to be our, this is going to be our setup. By when Tenkan rises above the Kijun, RSI crosses the above 60 level, and MACD happens to be the above zero line. Sell when Tenkan comes below the Kijun RSI crosses below the 40 level and MACD happens to be the below 0 level. Now one thing I was telling but what was not able to add is VWAP. So see the VWAP, if anybody is able to add the VWAP, then if the prices are below the VWAP, it's a good signal. It means that the setup is more strong. When we are looking for the sell side and when we are looking for the buy side, if prices happen to be above VWAP, it's another good thing. So I hope you understood the strategy completely. You all will use it comprehensively. So thank you so much for watching this video, everyone. Please do like the video, share this video with your friends and family. We are doing hard work for you. These strategies are very useful and I am giving you live examples also. So thank you so much. Please do subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive such videos in futures also. Thank you so much.